Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to add someone in Dropbox. To add someone and share content on Dropbox, open the Dropbox application from your mobile device first, and then make sure that you're logged in. After you're inside the home page, go ahead and find the file or folder you want to share. Tap the three dots on top of the file or folder, and then in the expanded menu, click on Share. In the pop-up, click the plus invite button and then type in the email address of the person you want to add. Now, once typing down the email, click on Share. And right after you do that, you've successfully added someone to your Dropbox file or folder. They'll receive an email invitation and can access the content as per the permission you set. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.